What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to solve this non-linear second order differential equation. This is non-linear because this y prime has a square. Okay, so this is a non-linear differential equation. To solve this one, we can do the substitution. The substitution is going to be like this: let u is equal to y prime, and then y double prime is equal to u prime. If u is y prime, then y double prime is going to be u prime. Now instead of y double prime and y prime, we are going to replace that one with u. If you do that, this is going to be u prime is equal to 2x. Instead of y prime, we are going to have u square. Then here you can see this is a separable, because if you write this one in terms of du by dx is equal to 2x u square. So we can bring the u terms together, and also we can bring the x terms together. If we bring that, this is going to be 1 over u square is equal to 2x dx. Okay, now we have 1 over u square is equal to u square du. Here we have du 2x dx. If we integrate both sides, integration, this is going to be u power negative 2. If you integrate, this is going to be u power minus 1 divided by minus 1. So this is going to be negative 1 over u. And here we will have 2x square divided by 2. That's going to be just x square. And also we will add a constant for this, plus c. Now we can replace the u terms with y terms, because originally we have everything in terms of y. So we had to do the replacement again. If you do that, this is going to be minus 1 over, instead of u, this is going to be just y prime. It's better to rearrange this one before I do the substitution. Let's rearrange this everything in terms of u. If we do that, this is going to be u is equal to negative 1 over x square plus constant, and this is going to be y prime is equal to minus 1 over x square plus constant. Now let's continue this one right here. Okay, now here you can see this is similar to the tan and tangent. Like when you have 1 over x square plus a square dx, if you integrate this one, you will get negative 1 over a tan inverse x over a plus a constant. Okay, so here you can treat this one as a something square. So when you do the integration, you will have a. Here we can call this one as another constant, like c1, something like that. Okay, so when we do the integration both sides, this is going to turn into y is equal to negative 1 over, instead of this for this one here we have a, but for this one we are going to have another constant, because if c is something square, then this is going to be square root of c, so we can just write it as another constant, c1. Okay, then tan inverse x over a, here we will get x over c1 plus another constant, that's c2. Okay, that's it. That's our final solution. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn differential equation, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.